In Style 3.6, we made run numbering a little bit easier to work with. So if I have a model that's got a comparative graph and I have a bunch of runs, and I decide, for example, that I really like run 6 and I want to call it base, I don't really care about the other runs, so I'm going to restore all devices, get rid of that. I'm going to leave base. I have base. The next run I make will now be called run 1 instead of run 7, so that once you've named a run, it will allow you to start running again from where you want. And the other thing that will happen is, suppose that I really like run 3 here, open the data manager, I lock run 3, close, I restore it. You'll see that the colors for base and run 3 are the first two colors in the comparative order, so you don't get colors that depend upon the number underlying the run as they used to. This allows a little bit better control over run names. And there's one other thing that's actually happened here. If you have a converter, and if I were to take this and not have it be comparative anymore and say I want one converter from the base, and then I want one converter from the current run, and I was to restore all devices. I've base marked as saved here, so let me unmark the save and restore all devices. If you go back to the data manager, there's something called the preserve locked run. We now allow you to delete those. If you click on the delete button, it can take you to where it is used. In case it's used in the single graph that's on this model, or you can decide to simply delete it without having to go through and delete the ISDB file.